what you're trying to ask is, why am I so insistent upon giving out to them that blackness, that black power, black culture? My job is to somehow make them curious enough or persuade them by hook or crook to get more aware of themselves and where they came from and what they are into and what is already there, just to bring it out.
Alright guys, so this is the second part of how to make a website. When we left off, we were talking about themes, WordPress themes. So I wanted to put you guys on to Envato, themeforce.net, that's the website. But they have a ton of themes, very inexpensive, affordable. You can easily buy one for a multitude of purposes, different types of businesses. If you just want to, e-commerce sites, if you just want to have blogs or talk about artistry or whatever you want to talk about, this method works, for making any website. For this particular site, I went with a theme called Serato. This is the theme right here. See, very inexpensive, but it'll give you a general template that you can use, and then you can input your own information to, make it your own. So this is ThemeForce. And I will show you guys, if you do decide to go with them, and I will include a link for them, I'll show you how to download or install your theme, because it can get not really complicated, but when you're downloading, there's a certain option you need to elect. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna go. Alright, so after you log in, what you're going to want to do is go to your dashboard, go to downloads. Here. This is another theme I have with these guys, great theme for general business. But when you want to download, or when you're trying to download your theme, you want to click here down the drop down arrow, but you want to click the installable WordPress file only. Alright guys, so this is actually installing the theme. You can see here plugins, that's going to be important for you as well. We'll get to that in another video. But appearance themes, and what we're going to do is upload our theme right now. We see the last thing we put in there. I'm going to click upload, and we're going to and we're just going to attach our zip and click install. Give it a few moments to run there. Alright, so we can see we've installed our theme successfully, and if we were to view the page, we see that it looks different from the one we changed it to earlier. Let me go ahead and let that load. And yeah, it looks different. So I'll go ahead and make the changes to the website, and I'll give you guys a quick update shortly. Hold up. So this is the finished website. Well, not completely finished. I have to make some other changes. I have to change the currency, some other information as well that already kind of came pre-populated from the theme. But you get a general idea, just pretty much inputting your own information, your own images, your own material, and pretty clean, pretty nice website, for very inexpensive, $19 for a theme, and pretty good presentation as far as the layout and all these different functions and features. So when you guys get a chance, again, check out the website. But like I said, this process works for any type of website you could want to develop. It could be any sort of website you want, hobbies, personal, whatever you want to do. You can use this method, use themes, WordPress, and get things going. So hey guys, thanks for watching. When you get a chance, please check out our website. We have some pretty cool stuff.